Hi there. Welcome to Sabrina's Cooking Show. I'm Sabrina, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a very simple meal with very little of your money. If you don't have any money, you won't be using what you don't have. Moving on, what you'll need today to make this very special meal is a few items. A spoon, a bowl, a microwave, and some cream-style sweet corn. Don't sue me. So the first thing that you want to do is take your corn and open it. Most people use can openers, but I decided to use my teeth. So give me a second. All done. Next step, you're going to go ahead and pour the cream into the bowl. Make sure it gives a nice little sploshing sound, because if not, it's not any good. Get all of it out of there. Next step, what you want to do is take out the metal spoon from your bowl, because personal experience, not fun to watch, not fun to pay for later on. You're going to put your bowl into the microwave. You're going to set it for a minute. And while you wait, there's plenty of things that you can do at the same time. Think about different things that I would do if I had money, and like places I would go eat. And couldn't think of any. This is really good. So the next step, you're just going to go ahead and stir the cream of corn a bunch. It's not really going to make a difference in how it tastes. It's going to taste like shit anyways. And once you do that, you're ready to go. Just have a nice big spoonful of this creamy corn. Just like Mama makes it if she works in the cream of corn factory. And it was really March 1st. That's good. Okay. Well, until next time, kiddies, you enjoy that cream of corn, and if you can think of any other ideas for me to cook, make sure it's in a can. Make sure it's microwavable. See you later.